their second home. So sana madagdagan natin through your support. So again, my name is Noel, and I head the marketing department of the Philippine Retirement Authority. Magandang hapon po. Sige, okay. So, before I start my presentation, of course, on behalf of the Philippine Retirement Authority and our General Manager, Mr. Bob Zozobrado, we would like to extend our appreciation to CREBA and, of course, to the National President, Mr. Tony Carino, for inviting us and be able to talk to you about the business opportunities that are available to all of you. So let me start. Time of our then General Manager and Chairman, General Aglipay, during the time of Mr. Leviste, we were already dealing with CREBA. Tapos medyo na ito. So now we're hoping maibalik natin yung ating magandang partnership. Well, the Philippine Retirement Authority, we're a government-owned and controlled corporation. We are an attached agency of the Department of Tourism, and we have been in existence for 40 years na kami this July. So milestone talaga din sa amin na to. So, but before kami napunta sa Department of Tourism, we were with the Department of Trade and Industry, and prior to that, nasa Office of the President po kami. So, okay. Ako na lang. So, the Philippine Retirement Authority is mandated to promote the Philippines as a retirement destination for foreign nationals and former Filipino citizens. Okay, and our benefits for those foreign retirees who will be joining the program is that they can enter the Philippines anytime they want. Meron silang multiple and exit privileges. They can stay in the Philippines for as long as they want. Kumbaga, with this visa, which we call the Special Resident Retirees Visa, is a parang forever visa. So, hindi ito nag-expire. So, once they get this visa, pwede na sila mag-stay in the Philippines just like us Filipinos, except, of course, they cannot vote and they cannot get own land. So, alam naman po natin yun. So, most of our foreign retirees na nagpapasok ng investment dito sa ating bansa, they just purchase condominium units or pumapasok po sila in a long-term lease agreement with yung mga bahay po. Because we have lots of retirees also staying sa mga different provinces. So I heard kanina may mga chapter presidents po from Baguio, from Pampanga, from La Union. Siguro makikita nyo, we have lots of retirees in these areas and pwede na. Ayan, so ito na po yung nabanggit ko kanina. We were from the Office of the President and transferred to the Department of Tourism. Ayan. So as I've said earlier, you're mandated to promote the Philippines as a retirement destination for foreign nationals and former Filipinos. Siguro, lahat po tayo, marami kaibigan former Filipinos. These are already the Americans, the Canadians, na lumipat na dun sa bansang yon. And if they want to come back to the Philippines, na hindi kailangan kumuha ng Filipino passport, then they can join through our program. So, ito po yung ating program, which we call the Special Resident Retirees Visa. And this is a special non-immigrant visa na binibigay po ng Bureau of Immigration through our office. So, as I've said kanina, these are some of the benefits. They have the option to reside here in the Philippines. They can come in and go out of the country anytime. So they're also exempted from the Bureau of Immigration ACRI card. Lahat po kasi ng foreign nationals, if they have stayed in the Philippines for more than 3 months, they need to get upon the ACRI card. But for our retirees, they do not need, they're exempted from getting that ACRI card as long as they have their PRA ID cards. Also, our retirees may work here in the Philippines. They don't need to get a separate working visa. However, they need to still get the alien employment permit from the Department of Labor. Yan. And of course, most of our retirees, lalo na yung young retirees, they have their children with them, and these kids can still study dito po sa Pilipinas without getting the student visa anymore. And we have a one-time exemption for being bringing in their household goods, personal effects worth 7,000 US dollars. Well, actually, tataasan na namin ito kasi medyo mababa na po. This has been 40 years na po ito. So, ang hinihingi na po namin, about the car, few years back, well, not few years, 30 years ago, pinapayagan po namin magdala sila ng car. Tax-free. However, medyo naabuso po. So, pinahinto po ito ng Department of Finance. So, para kailangan kumita rin po ang Pilipinas. And they're exempted from paying the travel tax. So, if these retirees have stayed in the Philippines for less than a year prior to going out of the country, wala silang babayarang travel tax. So, who are qualified para maging retiree applicants natin? So, these retirees, the principal applicant must be at least 50 years old. Doon sa mga nakakaalam ng PRA, na 15 years ago, we still allow 35 to 49 years old, young retirees. Mr. Paolo Grazzini, the one you saw kanina sa video, when he joined the program, nasa 40 years old lang siya. So, but now, itinaas natin sa 50 years old because of the POGO workers. The Senate kasi was thinking that these POGO workers are PRA members, which is hindi naman po because these POGO workers, wala ho silang pang-deposito because most of the retirees we have need to have visa deposit. So, wala ho sila ganun. So, hindi namin sila members. But of course, para sundan natin ng Senate, para hindi naman tayo mapagbintangan, binabuti na natin iakyat to 50 years old yung retiree members natin. But hopefully, by this July, for our 40th anniversary, we can bring it down again back to 40 years old. So, pinapasok na namin sa board namin yung bagong program namin na 40 at 40. So, 40 years old by the time na maging 40 years old na rin ang PRA. So, yes, former Filipino citizens, foreign nationals with diplomatic ties in the Philippines, and 50 years old, plus they can bring in their spouse and dependents who are below 20 years old, below 21 years old upon joining the program. These kids, maski lumagpas na sila ng 21, as long as the parents are still members of the program, they are still considered dependents. So, hindi ko na isa ahead. Ito po yung requirements that they need to submit to us. Siyempre, ang importante po dyan to check sa security natin is the police clearance. So, may NBI din kami, Interpol. For the dependents, para malaman natin, proof of relationship, marriage certificate for the spouse, birth certificates for the children. And these documents must be authenticated or apostilled doon po sa bansa nila. Application fee for the principal applicant is $1,400 and for each dependent, it's $300 Meron po kami pinamimigay din ng mga brochures sa labas so you can get it po later. PRA annual fee, yearly ang babayaran lang ng isang family is $360 for them to be able to stay na dito sa Pilipinas. And of course, the most important is the bank certificate for their visa deposit. So ang visa deposit nila depends on the SRRV option. So we have two kinds, yung SRRV Classic and the SRRV Courtesy and Expanded Courtesy. Under the SRRV Classic, pwedeng sumali dyan yung with pension, yung may mga pension na natatanggap ng foreigners, and dun sa mga without pension. For those na pensioner, the only visa deposit they need is $10,000 and for those without pension, it's $20,000 po. You know? And eto po, dito po kayo papasok. Etong visa deposit nila na to can be converted and can be used to purchase condominium units or used for long-term lease para sa kanilang dwellings, accommodation po nila. So kailangan yung mga retirees na ipapasok ninyo, dito nyo maipasok para magamit nila yung visa deposit nila. Because for sure, yung mga condo units ngayon, it's way higher than $20,000 na po. For the SRB courtesy, ito po yung mga former Filipinos who want to come back to the Philippines. Pag sinabi natin former Filipinos, these are not yung mga dual citizens. So wala po silang Philippine passport. If they have their Philippine passport already and their foreign passport, they don't need to join our program na po. So yan, for the ambassadors, sa dito po nagtrabaho, yan po. Courtesy, and then we have this expanded courtesy for those militario, for those mga nagtrabaho sa Philippine Embassy, sa labas. And meron po kaming foreign nationals, may list po kami, like for those Nobel Prize winner, yung mga professors, mga scientists, tinatanggap po namin sila under the SRB expanded courtesy. And the visa deposit, hindi kagaya kanina na $10,000 or $20,000, it's only $1,500 as long as they show also yung pension nila, which is must be more than ay wala silang pension pala, hindi pala dito yan, sorry. So they don't need yung pension nila, basta may visa deposit po sila na $1,500. So these are the banks kung saan lang nila pwede ilagay yung visa deposit nila. We have private banks, PNB, Union Bank, BDO, Shinhan Bank, Bank of Commerce, and Kebhana Bank. We have recently accredited Security Bank. Our GM is already working it with BPI also. So, and meron din po tayong government bank, which is the DBP. Under the DBP po kasi, nakapangalan yan sa opisina namin sa PRA for the account of the retiree. Because it's easier for them to send money from abroad kasi kailangan ang visa deposit would be coming from abroad. So kailangan i-remit nila dito yun sa Pilipinas. Kumbaga, it must be a fresh investment to the Philippines para magka-visa sila. Yan. So dyan po yung mga banks. And eto lang po, once they become members of the program, they just need to renew their ID cards yearly. They just need to pay yung PRA fee natin, the $360 annually. If they'll be transferring bagong information, new addresses, they just need to tell us as well. Of course, they need to follow our rules, and of course, yung ating mga, yung ating constitution po, kailangan sundin lang din nila. So, some of the services that we do for our retirees, of course, pwede nilang i-transfer kasi yung pera nila sa ibang bangko. They get the interest po. Dun sa $20,000, $10,000, or $1,500, they would still be getting interest. Kahit gaano man kalitsyon, it's still their interest po. As I've said kanina, under the SRB Classic, they can convert their visa deposit into active investment. Restamping of SRB sticker from the old to new passports. And we have other special concerns such as others are getting their driver's license. Yan, yung sa alien employment permit, if they'll be working dito po. PhilHealth, because nagbibigay din po tayo ng PhilHealth, mas mababaho ang premium nila compared to dun sa mga ibang foreign nationals if they're members of PRA. And then po, tax exemption sa Department of Finance for the household goods and personal effects that they will be bringing in. So, ito yung ibang mga ginagawa ng I just want to show you mga ginagawa ng retirees namin dito. Like this one, it's a July activity, anniversary activity with the retirees. We have our offices po kasi aside from our office here in Makati, we have one in Baguio, in Clark, in Cebu, and in Davao. So that's why nagse-celebrate tayo ng mga parties. And we have lots of members na sumasali po dyan sa mga activities natin. Yan. During our anniversaries, we have what we call Retirees Got Talent. So they showcase yung mga talent nila. Yan po, yung mga get-together natin last December. We also have what we call yung social integration. We invite them for parang ballroom, dance workshops, may mga pa-yoga. Yan. So we make sure na meron din silang activities na pwede nilang gawin dito. Which, ang maganda po, those few pala na retirement facilities na meron kami doon, owned by, of course, private entities po, they have this kind of activities as well. Ginagaya lang din po namin kasi when we do ocular, when we inspect other retirement facilities outside of the country, mapapansin nyo laging may activities for the retirees. Yan po, meron silang inner peace, health and wellness. So we also bring them to Intramuros, to Corregidor, to different parts of the Philippines. Yan, meron po silang farm tour. They also play the Game Ball Sports program. And recently, dinala namin yung iba sa Ati-Atihan. We joined festivals. This year, we had floats para sa parade. Tapos we invite retirees, kagaya niyan, for them na sumakay doon sa float natin. So that was last January sa Aklan, sa Ati-Atihan. Then also sa Sinulog. This one is in partnership with Lions International. So palang araw, kung meron kayong float sa iba't ibang festival ng Creba, maybe you can invite PRA para mag-sponsor din kami para sa float ninyo. And we can bring our retirees para mag-enjoy din sila. And last Sunday, we just joined sa Panagpanga, sa Baguio. Yan po, we had a float also then we did. So yan po yung mga retirees natin. So currently, gross enrollment po natin is 81,346 from more than 150 countries. And these are the nationalities, yung top nationalities po natin. Those who came from China, sila po yung nag-top. From South Korea, then India, USA, Taiwan, Japan, Hong Kong, UK, Germany, and Australia po. So for the last 40 years, ito po yung mga retirees ngayon. And ang emerging market natin yan, Canada, sa Switzerland, sa France, sa Netherlands, Singapore, Malaysia also, Italy, even sa Pakistan and Bangladesh, meron na po mga nagre-retire dito sa Philippines. So currently, our retirees are here in sa NCR, mostly in Metro Manila. Yan po. Kung mapapansin niyo po, lalo na yung mga Chinese natin and Koreans, sila yung maraming negosyo din dito. And the others are in Region 3, Calabarzon area din, Central Visayas, Calabarzon, then Central Luzon, Davao. Yan, dyan po. But halos sa lahat ng probinsya, marami po tayong retirees. So why do they choose the Philippines? Of course, one, alam natin mura sa bansa natin because of the low cost of living. And then the others who just make the Philippines their halfway home, especially for the Japanese and Koreans also. And yung mga Europeans, pag winter season, they come here, they stay here for 3 to 6 months. And their kids here para mag-aral ng English din. They make the Philippines their weekend getaway destinations for those young retirees who are still working in their countries, especially the Japanese, as I've said kanina. They come to the Philippines on Fridays, they play golf, they do diving, they bring their families dito, gagastos lang sila. Then they go back Sunday night or madaling araw ng Monday. So they also invest dito po sa atin. And the others just retire and help the Filipino community po. So, Philippines ngayon po is globally recognized as siguro may isang decade na po tayo, nakikilala na tayo as a retirement destination. But just to give you ano yung iba nating mga accolades na natanggap for last year, like according to the Internations, the best and worst destinations for expat in 2024, Philippines was among the top 10 best destinations for expats. And then according to the Condé Nast Traveler article, Philippines was among the 6 countries named that makes retiring abroad relatively easy. And then there's this US News article. The Philippines is among the list of best places to retire where English is spoken. And then Forbes magazine, the Philippines among the 3 senior-friendly retirement destinations in Asia. And then another website, there's this article that named Philippines as among the 5 senior-friendly destinations in Asia and Europe. Again, according to the Forbes magazine in their website, Philippines ranked as one of the best places to live in the world for expats. And yung last year din po is Philippines was included as among the most affordable countries for expats in 2024. And we're hoping 2025 and in the future, mas marami pa po tayo matanggap na recognition that we are indeed ready to bring in retirees to our country po. Ayan, eto na yung pag-games ko para medyo magising kayo ng konti. Our retirees, yung iba dyan sa kanila mga kilala, yung iba dyan mga magulang ng mga actors. So magsimula muna tayo dun sa kilala natin. Once na nakilala nyo, pag kilala nyo yung dinedescribe ko, please raise your hand so para may matanggap po tayo na gift from PRA po. That's a diffuser para bumango po ang ating bahay. Okay, so mag-start po tayo ng ating guess who. Raise nyo lang ang kamay nyo. Sir, pakicheck na lang po kung sino. So our first guest who is, she's an American. She was a writer, journalist, was married to the great diplomat General Carlos P. Romulo. Sino po ang magtataas ng kamay? Pakicheck po si Muning So, pwede na, pasa na po siya. It's Miss Beth De Romulo. So, she was a member of PRA po. Okay, thank you, ma'am. So, next. She is an American, was a teacher, writer, and was married to a senator lawyer, was known as compañero, with children who are, where will be senators, mayors, congressmen. Sino po, ayan na po sila, the family. So, maski apelido na lang. Yes, Mrs. Cayetano, Mrs. Sandra Sharam Cayetano. Yan. Okay, next. Next tayo. She's a Phil-American, former chairwoman of the National Federation of the Filipino-American Association, NAFA. She became a retired member in 1989 prior to availing the dual citizenship. So, dual citizen po kasi siya. Sige po, ma'am. Ayan na po yung clue sa name niya. Ma'am, sino?
Attorney Nicolas Lewis.
Yes. Now po, Ms. Lloyda Nicolas Lewis, she was a member of PRA. And then next, eto, kilala niyo siguro to. She's a popular psychologist in the 80s and 90s. Yan ha. TV host and writer. Medyo witty siya. And ang topic niya lagi is about love, lust, and sex. Sige po.
Dito. No. Sige ma'am, lago.
Sige, ayan.
Margarita mo.
Yes. Miss Margarita Holmes. Yan po. Okay, next. He's Spanish by birth, but Filipino by heart. Famous artist. He studied at the UP School of Fine Arts and was taught by Fernando Amorsolo, Dominador Castañeda, Ireneo Miranda, lahat ng magagaling. Yan. Meron siyang isang malaking painting sa Mall of Asia. Yes. Mr. Vinal Sanso. Yeah. Ayan po. O, ito pa. Next. Ito medyo madali to. Japanese businessman. Meron siyang hotel and casino. Inaused siya. Pero member namin siya. And yung name niya is the name of the hotel and casino. Ayan. Yes. Kazuo Okada. Okay. So, okay na tayo dyan. Ang next, ito medyo, ang sasabihin ko sa inyo is, ang huhulaan nyo, yung artista, yung actor. Sino yung magulang nila? Ay, sino yung anak sino yung actor? So, eto, kunwari, game, ha? Ayan, yan ang daddy niya, yan ang member ng program namin. The father of this actor is a member of the program, is a Burmese Chinese national who migrated to Australia. The son is a famous model and the host of different adventure TV programs such as Amazing Race, Sports Unlimited, Asia's Got Talent, Beach.
Sir, dito, sir. Competitive. Here.
Yan. Mark Nestle. Sila lang naman yung dumadalaw sa opisina namin. Palagi. Okay, so another one. Ito isa pa. The father of this actor, kapatid nyo, the father of this actor is an American who was an instructor sa Subic Naval Base. The actor is a junior born in
Sir,
Subic.
dito.
He is currently linked to Julia Barreto. Yes, si Gerald Anderson. O ito, huli na. Kasi I still have yung business opportunities for you guys. Baka nakalimutan nyo na. So, eto na. The parents of this actor are both members of PRA. Ito yung kapatid niya, si Vanessa, is also a model. The mother is a Brazilian Portuguese while the father is a Japanese. The actor was a winner of the Pinoy Big Brother edition 2014. He was romantically linked with Heart Evangelista and Eric Gonzalez. Correct. Yan po. So, thank you very much. Pero meron pa, hindi pa tapos, wait. Meron pa tayong business opportunities that are available for all of you guys. So, ayan, business opportunities. Baka may mga facilities kayo or you want to put up an accredited retirement facility. Pag meron kayong mga negosyo, it can, remember kasi our foreign retirees, hindi sila pwede ng senior citizen card. So minsan, nalulungkot sila, they're telling us na, we're also seniors, bakit hindi kami pwede ng senior discount ninyo? So what we do is we collaborate, we partner with different merchant partners. So pag may mga negosyo kayong iba, you can have it accredited with us, just give discounts para sa retirees natin. And a marketer, yan yung agent. You know what guys, I saw kanina dito, may mga agents kami before, like si Ms. Gomez, and also Ms. Novelin's here. Then yung friend nga niya sa sala, si Ms. Abby. So yan yung mga, sana maging marketer uli kayo, mag-ano kayo sa amin ulit, reactivate kayo ma'am. So yan, ito yung retirement facilities. We do accredit accommodations, we do accredit condominium projects, we do accredit maski mga bahay, ganyan, for RFO and pre-selling for our retirees. So these are just some of those accredited natin. You can see this in our website po. So we also have merchant partners. As I've said, if you have your businesses na pwede ninyong i-alok sa ating retirees, please pa-accredit po kayo sa amin. Wala naman pong bayad ito. Tapos ilalagay natin kayo sa website. So if the retirees would want to avail of your services and products, then makikita nila kayo sa website natin. And these are just some na nagbibigay ng mga discounts. Okay, mostly hotels, restaurants, but we have law firms, accounting firms. And we have retirement and assisted living. Baka meron sa inyo dyan nag-iisip na who want to put up a retirement facility. Ito po yan. We have accredited namin ang Raintree Care Services. This is owned by a German guy, si Mr. Dauman Bushel. This is in Muntinlupa. So, hindi kailangan puro foreigner yung mga nakatira dun sa loob ng ano nila because some of the retirees also namin, pwede naman nating ilagay dyan. Also, we have this life care, independent and assisted living. This one is in Cebu. Sa Cebu po to. Ang ginawa lang niya, she rented a house and converted it into parang rooms for the retirees. Now, she has 10 to 12 retiree members namin na nandoon sa facility niya in Cebu. And nag-open siya, nagpa-joint venture siya. Now, she already has one also in Morong in Antipolo. This one, talagang tinayo nila. They constructed this one po. And then this one, ito yung isa sa pinakauna namin ina-credit. This was in 2000, early 2000. This was owned by a Japanese, pero ngayon yata Filipino na yung mga may-ari. This is in Cabuyao, Laguna, and most are Japanese ang nakatira doon. So, eto naman po, marketers or agents, you can assist us by bringing in foreign retirees to join our program. So, tulungan niyo na kami mag-promote, and then, yan, yung mga PRC licensed brokers, which is kayo yun. But ngayon kasi hinihingan tayo ng, alam ko na, bago nyo na sabihin sa akin yung concern niyo because may kausap kami kahapon from dito sa Creba and they said nga, gusto nila mag-marketer, however ngayon kasi kailangan meron ka ng SEC, may business name ka from DTI or SEC. Unlike before, 10 years ago, we don't just accept brokers na may PRC license. So ngayon, siguro kung matutulungan niyo ako, we can talk with the GM para ibalik na eto na lang ang kakailanganin. So mas madali sa inyo. Since what we just need is siguraduhin meron kayong official receipts. Yan. So, because once you become a marketer, you get $500 for each principal applicant na may ipapasok nyo sa program natin. So, yeah. Yan po. And then, eto. Because we're here in Creba, of course, we want to have our partnership. Ano po ba ang pupwede? So, we would request, of course, for Creba to support the retirement program of the Philippine government through PRA by becoming PRA's partner through a memorandum of understanding. Ano po ba pwede natin gawin as an institution po ang Creba? And to help us promote the SRRB to foreign retirees po and former Filipinos. Yan po. So, pwede natin magkaroon tayo ng memorandum of agreement with Creba. And we can also have parang agreements or as individual marketers po yung iba sa inyo or merchant partners. And then, of course, PRA, we will be supporting your businesses dun sa individual businesses niyo by promoting your properties, your yung mga development na ginagawa nyo that are available for our retiree members. Yan. So, yan po. And then we can help promote you sa aming website, sa aming newsletter, we can feature your products, your services. Yan po. So, our retirees will be able to know ano po yung mga inaanak po. Yan. So, before I end, I would just like to show you again one video ng aming retiree. And bago yun, kasi nakita ko kanina while I was sitting in front, the Creba slogan is home for every Filipino. Baka ngayon bukod sa home for every Filipino na yung Creba slogan nyo, pwede na gawin yung inyong Creba mentality. So bakit natin Creba mentality? Why can you do it? Creba mentality nyo is home for every Filipino and foreign retirees living in the Philippines para inclusive po. Since we will be partnering with you po. So maraming salamat.